Pasta spaghetti aglio e olio. Traditional Italian garlic spaghetti aglio e olio is a healthful pasta recipe. This simple spaghetti recipe is a winner for everyone. Your spaghetti should be ready in 15 minutes with minimal prep. These are the ingredients that you'll need. 150 grams spaghetti, 2 large garlic cloves, 35 grams pepato cheese, the Sicilian pecorino, 4 tablespoons of a high-quality extra virgin olive oil and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons parsley, fresh or frozen. Start by boiling the water for the pasta, don't forget to add the salt. While the pasta boils, grate the pepato cheese and thinly slice the garlic. Next, throw the pasta in the pot, and let it cook following the package instructions. For this dish, you want your pasta to be al dente. Take some of the pasta water and set it aside. Add the sliced garlic to a separate pan, pour the olive oil, and let it saute at a low temperature so that the oil gets infused with the garlic. Strain the pasta, add it to the pan with the garlic and olive oil and toss everything together. Finally, add the grated pepato and the parsley and mix well until combined. You want to be quick and not overmix so that the pasta doesn't dry. If you think your pasta is a little dry, you can always add the pasta water set aside. Should you have trouble finding pepato cheese, you can replace it with pecorino or Romano cheese. If you'd rather stick to aglio olio and skip the cheese, maybe to make it a low-calorie meal, you can add a little hot chili pepper spread. If you choose to enjoy this healthy pasta dish with a salad, the quantity is just enough for 2 people. Buon appetito! Buon appetito!